When you create a workflow, sometimes you want to add subscribers who are already in the segment to the workflow. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're here in the Workflows tab, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new workflow. I'm going to add the segment that I want to connect to this workflow, and then I'm going to build my workflow. Now, I may already have subscribers in this segment that I want to go through this workflow. To add those subscribers, I'm going to come up here to Publish. And because it recognizes that I have subscribers in that segment that have not yet been through this workflow, it's going to ask me if I want to include existing subscribers. I'm going to turn this on and then click Publish Now. There we go. My workflow is now published, and those subscribers who were already in that segment have been added. To confirm those subscribers have been added, I'm going to go ahead and click on my workflow analytics, and there we go. I'll see that I have those 2 subscribers in this workflow.